Is your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo and won't turn on? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to fix it fast without losing your data. First, try a force restart. This can kick your iPhone out of the Apple logo loop without any data loss. For iPhone 8 and newer, press volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo again. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold volume down and power for 10 to 15 seconds. For iPhone 6 and older, hold home and power for 10 to 15 seconds. If this works, comment below with a check mark so others know it helped. If the first method didn't work, let's try recovery mode. This can fix software glitches without erasing your data. Connect your iPhone to a computer, either a Mac or a PC. Open Finder if you're on a Mac, or iTunes if you're on Windows. Enter recovery mode by pressing volume up, volume down, then holding the power button until you see the recovery screen for iPhone 8 and newer. For iPhone 7, hold volume down and power together. For iPhone 6 and older, hold home and power together. Then, click Update, not Restore in iTunes or Finder. Still stuck? Let's go to the final method. If nothing worked, let's try DFU mode. This completely refreshes your iPhone software. Connect your iPhone to a computer, put it in DFU mode, which is the same steps as recovery mode, but hold longer. iTunes or Finder will detect it. Click Restore. Just a heads up, this will erase all your data. There you go. Try these methods in order and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy iPhone fixes.